Welcome to my channel. We got an unboxing. I believe this is from Rose Proffitt, because that's the other one I'm expecting. I don't understand. It came from Los Angeles. So let's open it up and see. I think the box took a licking. But I was actually expecting two from Rose. So, International folks, I don't know. I don't think this is hers. I don't know who this is from. New co Okay. Let's just open it up and find out. Yes, this is from Rose. I think she needs better boxing. This boxing took a beating. I saw this and I knew I had to have it. Okay. Okay, I could do this because it's poured glue. I can't use the one that Nick's sent me, so kind of forgive this. But we'll take a look at this in a minute. Comes with a little bolt. Oh, good tweezers too. A white pin with a three-placer. I guess two in a skinnier one and a straightener. One thing of wax. It is a good wax. You can't see through it. We'll put that over here. The drills are pre-bagged. Okay, they don't have the DMC code on them. They come numbered. This is fine, but I would like to see the DMC code on them. I never work off of numbers, so I'll definitely have to kit this up. I won't be using the bags. Oh, isn't this Yeah, it's a number 47, Violet. I'm trying to see how many. I don't see but one. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, we have some orange and some like peach, I guess you call that. So a total of four special. I mean, you guys know what I mean. So that is good. I'm going to flip this around. Then I'm going to take you off this thing I'm using to film this because you can't really see it. But it does come. This is a square. It has 50 colors. Uh, you can cut these out to put them on the bags, which I will probably do. And it is a 50 by 50. I think I wish I had ordered this in a bigger size. Okay. I may be jiggling you around a little bit. Okay, here we go. Let me back up here so you can see the whole picture. There she is. Isn't she great? And she has, I love this. I love this. Rose, she has her name written across here. That is fantastic. Rose Proffitt. DP Fairy Life 50 by 50. It has her email down here. Website is roseproffittcreations.com. But how is the drill field? That's going to be definitely going to have to use. It's got some dark colors in here, so we could definitely have to use a light pad with this. But as you see, it is very, very clear. Now, if you notice in the dark how she has it in white, that is fantastic because it's going to make it a whole lot easier to work with. At first glance, I don't see any faded drills, spots. Fantastic. Fantastic. And she's got the somatic here. And on the other side, a thumbnail is over here. So I will be cutting those out and putting them on the bags since it has this. And it does have the DM code on it. So does the other. Hold up. Yes, it does have the DM codes. So that's okay, because I can peel those off, put them on the bag, so it doesn't really matter if they just have numbers. And that is all for today. I do have another one. Oh, this is gorgeous. Coming. And I will do an unboxing on that. I did get this, ordered this before everything got in a mess. I'm still on a no buy, but hopefully in April it'll be back to normal. Anyways, happy diamond painting. Catch you later.